everybody, I'm Roberto.
And it's Kat.
And we are here at the final week, week 4. Yes, that's right, week 4 of the Bachata beginner level series syllabus. And we're here to show you a new move, but then we're also gonna add it into everything else with a little bit of social dancing. But before we start, we have something to explain. Kat?
Yes, so this is called changing time. The new position we're learning is called shadow position. Very fun, but it's a little bit harder because we do have to change time. So we're gonna explain that concept. That way we're not overwhelming you with this new one. Ready? So all we're gonna do is not connect yet. We're just gonna do our basic. 6, 7, 8, 1. So pretend we're dancing, right? We're keeping the same steps, always opposite. What happens, he's gonna stay and I'm gonna start turning the other way. What happened now? We're not in sync anymore. We're going the opposite way because we're both facing the same way. So if this happens, I would have to change time to get onto his rhythm. So what that means is taking 2 steps and 2 taps. Just watch me. Step, tap, step, tap. Oh my God, now we're in rhythm, right? So it's just twice that you would do that, and now we're good. And that's if we're facing the same way. So watch if he does it now, ready? So we're gonna start the same way. 6, 7, and 1. We're starting opposite, and we're just doing our basic. If he wants to turn, face the same way as me, again, we're off, right? So he's gonna take a step, tap, and then he's gonna end up the same way. Wow, magic, okay? Yeah. So why does this matter? Because this new position is here. We're gonna show you how to get here, but we're both gonna face the same way. So leads in this case are going to have to change time. So all you need to know, changing time means step, tap, step, tap.
Okay, so let's go ahead and show the new sequence. What we're gonna do right now is basically a 2-handed turn, but there's slightly different positions there. So let's just show that quickly. We go 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and that's it. Basically, we're just doing that turn, but now I'm gonna add a variation to that, which is basically a check. And this check is gonna happen with my forearm. I'm gonna apply that pressure onto Kat's hip right here, and that's gonna basically tell my partner to stop and also do a change of direction there. So let's show that quickly. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and. Now notice our footwork too. We just did that change of motion that Kat was talking about there. So I did 2 things. I did a check with my forearm and I changed my timing there. So let's put that all again one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, check. And now from here on we can add another move, which is basically going to be a hand toss. 5, 6, 7, and. And all I'm gonna do here is place my hand on Kat's.
So let's talk about this position. Very important, you guys.
Yes.
Okay, so his hand nowhere near here, nowhere near there, right? Just nicely there. I place it on top. That's our connection on this side. This side is just like you're supporting her, right? Or him, the follow, yeah? But what's important, he's slightly to my left. He's not here because that is perreo. Yeah, that's a different dance style, not today. Okay, so we're gonna be offset. Also, if we rotate a little more, there's space between us, okay? There is another position where we have no space. Go to Bachata Sensual, yeah?
Okay, so let's show the whole sequence getting up into that little hand placement maneuver. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, prep. 5, 6, change my timing. And then from here, I'm going to do this little hand toss. Boom.
Which indicates styling follows, remember? And you can relax slowly onto this position. Now, if you notice, if we did basic, we're both together, right? So you can always go basic here, you're on the same timing. This is follows timing.
So I basically have changed my timing once. I'm going to do it a second time for the next maneuver, which is once we're right here, I'm going to do a turn onto my follow and do this kind of a hair comb trick here. As soon as I do this, I'm going to change my timing again. So that's gonna be the second time there. So let's show that in motion there. So we start from here, we'll go over with our basic. We go 1, 2, oh, sorry, we're starting on 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and. So notice I did my change of timing on 1, 2, and 3, and 4. That way we are now in sync. So let's go ahead and show the whole move. Here we go. Start from basic. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and. All right.
And in class, we're going to be reviewing more concepts. We're going to go ahead and just show you that with music in a social dance.
All right, let's go ahead and show everything we learned up until now. We're going to do a little bit of social dancing, so you're going to see some of the moves that we've gone over from weeks 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, here we go.
Con dinero, y si es así, pues trataré de resignarme por completo. Ay Dios, a buscar la soledad que me hace recordarte las novelas que tú leías tan ansiosa tomando café.
And that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for following us on this 4-week voyage of Beginner Bachata series. We hope you enjoyed everything that we've shown you. Remember to go to salsawithsylvia.com to look up upcoming classes and register.
And just subscribe below because we always have new syllabus coming out. Sensual Bachata, Traditional Bachata, and several other styles, yeah? See you then.
We'll see you on the dance floor.